Yes. So, one very important thing before starting, I just would like to firstly, is anyone knows what is the process? You? What is the process? Any process. What is the process? Plan and do. Okay. Out of context. General. Arvind, you do you know? Execution of programs. Okay. Pawan? Yeah, yeah. So at programmatically way it's correct. So, so yes. So in a for me, like when we are running a company and when we are having a project we are running, the process is one beautiful things are quotes are when an average student can do extraordinary things, then it's by the help of process. Suppose if I will tell you that you write the program in this way, and then I make a process that every line of the code should have the comments. This is the process. Because yes, so as sir is telling, it's correct that what he has explained. But only thing is, when we will make the process, a average person can do the extra things. So this is what is the process is. That is the reason when what's happened that there are lot of category of persons. Some persons are working in their style, some person are working in their styles, but that's not matching because company when company is growing, when we are having team, if one person will do the very excellent job, it does not means that every person in the team is doing the excellent. But when we will make the process, then each person's can have the benchmark that at least you should perform that much number of the checks and whole team will perform well. And agile concept start from there. That agile concept starts like you should work as a team. In agile, there is only three owners are there or three team members. One is product owner. Product owner means who is giving the requirements, who is drafting the specifications. Second is Scrum Master, who is product owner. It can be client, it can be internal to the our project team. It will be it depends. Okay. And second is our scrum team includes development, QA, front end development, back end development lead. And scrum master is who is tracking day to day what's the team is doing. If there is any bottleneck, they are solving and they are working with team to solve it. Okay, so this is what is the scrum team. But in scrum and agile, there is one more important part. There is no project manager, there is no project lead, there is only three-person in whole concept, and they believed in servant leadership. This is very major concept that servant leadership need to understand. There is two type of leadership. uh, then we will just after this concept we will go to the slides. Okay. Servant leadership is, see, there is one type of leader. I told that, okay, uh, Mr. X, you need to do this activity by 3 days. I don't want to listen anything, you just complete it. This is the demand, commanding the pupil. Like, okay, you have to do this, I don't want to listen anything, you just complete it. Second type of leadership is you are just discussing with your team members, understanding what is the problem, asking the estimation to them, and then asking that, okay, please work in this. And if you have a problem, I am there to support you in your bottlenecks or the problems or the solutioning part at least, so that the member can work. So this is called the servant leadership, and servant leadership is the key principles or key concept in the agile, that you should not say that okay, I will only tell ki ye karna hai, because many pupils in the even in a corporates, when the persons are senior, they thought this is the very much misconcept that when the person is senior they should not, or they should only divide the work. Actually their role is becoming harder, and they should take the ownership of the solutioning instead. So this is what is the concept of agile. We will go one by one, we will go very detailed discussions today.